On April 13th, the board of directors declares a 3-for-2 stock split. That means for every 2 shares you have, it turns into 3. And that's significant for the shareholders. However, we learned that a stock split is what we would call a large stock dividend, defined by how much of the stock is actually going to be distributed. In this case, there are 50% more shares that are going to be issued as a result of the stock split. The FASB rules are fairly vague here and allow for discretion in how we account for it. And the way we learned in class is that there's no entry that's even needed. And so there's really no entry we have to perform when stock dividend is declared in greater than an amount of 25%, because that's classified as a stock split. And there's no reclassification of paid-in capital that has to happen. The FASB is fairly open here, and there are companies that do make journal entries here, but I'm going to keep it as easy as we can for our purposes and say that for transaction C, there's nothing you have to do. So that's kind of trick, but not necessarily. There's no entry that needs to be made in part of as a part of transaction C.